Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a product review to do, and here with Daddy.
Maybe he's at the beach.
Hey guys, today welcome back to the channel. We're going to be doing a product review on the offroading.com SUV tent. We had a really nice weekend here at Carlsbad State. So we have the Land Cruiser here. It worked really nicely for us. It was so easy to set up. We pretty much just unboxed it right here at our campsite.
Took us 10 minutes.
Yeah. Popped right up. You're able to just snap everything into place in less than 10 minutes. Really nice features that I have no clue. I really honestly had no clue because I didn't even look into the product at all. You kind of did after they reached out to you.
Yeah, I was a little skeptical at first because of the reviews on Amazon. Pretty bad reviews. 3 out of 5. Most people complaining about the quality bill. But for us, the quality is pretty good.
The quality is really good. Pleasantly surprised. I was actually nervous too because I like to do extensive research on anything I purchase, and I went into this completely blind. I didn't know what the features were, I didn't know the quality, I didn't know the reviews. Normally when I go to even a restaurant, I look at all the reviews and pictures, so so I was really pleasantly surprised. I loved all the features. It had somewhere for you to hang your lantern. You have nice big windows. You can access the tailgate while you're in the car. I think you mentioned that you can detach. It's attachable to your car, but you can detach from the tent and drive away, which is a really nice feature that isn't possible with a roam tent. Yeah. So.
But I really like the setup of having the roam on the tent plus.
Yes, it does work really nicely together.
Sleep like 10 people.
Test out more of the features. We didn't really need the rain fly, so we didn't attach it this time. It comes with its own awning, so we can have double awnings going on if we wanted to. It was compact, easy to install, great quality,
good height.
Good height. You can stand up. You can fit 5 people in there if you wanted to, have a little party. We cooked in there because it was a little windy yesterday, and it was great. You'll see some video clips maybe. You want to show them the inside of the tent?
Yeah.
Give them a tour? But overall, we really enjoyed it, and we'll definitely use it again. So you will definitely be seeing it again on our videos and things to come. So
Thanks for watching.
Thank you so much for watching.